All right, Honorable Judge Taylor.
Please sit down. Robert E. Lee E. West. Do you swear to tell the truth, the only truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
You may be seated. Atticus, you have stated.
So, Mr. Ewa, with everything Mr. Hecate has said before you?
Yes, I do.
Alright then. So when you were dealing with Miss Mayella, did you happen to call a doctor?
Didn't see a need.
So wasn't that the concern of?
Yes, it was. Just didn't think of it.
I see. So what were the injuries on Miss Mayella?
Bruises, marked beat, and a blackened eye.
Which eye exactly?
Left, looking at her, so from right.
Can you read and write, Mr. Ewell?
Yes, I might well can.
Can you write your name for us? Mr. Ewell, you're left-handed.
Yes, wait, no. That isn't right. I know what you think. I didn't do it. You took advantage of me. And you tricked me, you did!
That's enough. That's enough. Atticus, are you finished? Yes, that's all.
The Susan box, gutter dogs, or plumber's new good for you. That was a nice story. Now on to the next subject. Do any of you know what these are? Scout.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Scout, could you read this for me?
Look, see, I can do 3.
Scout, could you tell your father not to teach you to read anymore?
What do you mean? He hasn't taught me nothing, Miss Caroline. He's so tired when he comes home from work. He doesn't have time to do anything like that.
Well, no one's born reading.
I was so. Jim told me. He said I was a bullshit. He said I was swapped between the families.
Well, don't get carried away. Tell your father to teach you no longer. I'll be teaching you from now on. Now I have to fix all of this.
Sorry. He's not there. He's really sick. Yeah, he's coming toward us. I mean, he's real sick. He's not my responsibility. But he's real sick, like mad sick. You gotta do something. Come see. Are you lying? No, we're serious. Hello? Yeah. No, Tim Johnson? Oh, he's sick. Okay. I just called the police, and they're on their way. Okay, happened. Atticus, old Tim Johnson's coming down the street. You gotta go do something. We're going right now.
You see him? No, sir, I don't. Ain't that him right there? Atticus, you take over.
Now, does any of you know what this is? Scout.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
That's enough.
Oh, I didn't put the thing on!
Oh. Oh my god.
Dude, Sam!